Okay, we're in Seoul right now, and the best way to get around is use the train. But the idea is, if you want to get discount, you have to go to a 7-Eleven for a discount, all right, or else you pay full price. It's
This is a disposable transportation card printout machine.
everything is automatic. You just have to press where you're going and the amount, and then it will give you change.
Please place the
And look at
transportation
Cole.
card.
This one is 50,000.
Please select amount
He's
to
not even
charge
getting
and
confused.
enter cash.
Really good, huh? Cole Barron buying tickets for us to be able to ride the train going to Seoul, which is very far from their airport. And that's going to the train. This is how the airport looks like. It's very big and everything's clean. And right beside it are the machines where you buy your train tickets. If not, you gotta pay more if you ride the taxi. So Cole, are we done? Yes, we're done. Cole was able to buy his tickets.
Transportation card printout machine.
Yes, Cole Barron. He knows everything.
Please select arriving station.
Last train is 11:30 p.m. Unless you want to ride the taxi. It's 10:30 p.m. here at the airport, and we need to catch the train immediately. So Berna seems to have a problem with conversion. And my beautiful daughter looks like Korean. They say you're Korean. Yes, Berna asking so many questions to the Koreans. Better if you can learn how to speak Korean. So, may problem pa? Wala na? So, we're going to take the train going to the Seoul station. Come on, Cole, make it fast. Inside the train station. What did you say? Daniel? Did you say something? Wow, everything's clean, huh? Wow. Korea is very progressive, huh? So the only way to save money is to take the train station to the city of Seoul, unless you want to take the taxi for about 80,000 won, equivalent to about 4,000 pesos. Imagine, just to get to Seoul, 4,000 pesos.
Can you imagine?
Yes, yes. Imagine, huh? Expensive, huh? If you don't know how to take the train, Cole. You know how to take the train, huh, Cole? Hey, you seem to be tired. Okay, you can ask questions if you don't know where to go.
서울행 일반 열차가 들어오고 있습니다.
Okay, train's already here, and I think we're almost lucky because 11:30 is the last train going to Seoul, coming from Incheon Airport. Yes, cheapest way to get to the city. Wow, it's gonna be 50 minutes going to Seoul. Wow. So that means almost 1 hour to get there, huh?